Hey everyone, it's Chris and Christine back from
Hello.
Crockett and Gamby, and this time we're going to do a move called Travoltas.
And when we finish with this move, the following video will be a combination of the moves that we've done previously. So we've got the full Spanish arms, half Spanish arms, Travoltas, and the hand change behind the back, I think it is. So after this video's come out, watch out for the next one, which will be a combination of all of the moves. Wavy arms.
But remember too, with rock and roll, there's no set routine, so you can pull any of these moves that we're showing you and put them together in your own order.
But we do realise that some of you do like to have set routines until you're confident enough to go ahead and just put everything together yourself.
True. Now, Travoltas is a basic move, pretty much.
Yes, sort of. It's only the spin that's a little bit awkward, I guess. But we'll show it to you and then we'll lead you through it.
Okay.
So, quick walkthrough. 5, 6, 7, 8, with one basic.
Oh, and throw away. So it probably isn't really a basic move, and it does look pretty flash with a lot of spinning.
Yeah, it's a nice little move. And the walking, it may look a little bit boring at first, but when you've got the music on and there's a bunch of people around, it does actually look really cool. So, walk through.
Right.
So we'll start off with two basics, which you should know how to do with your eyes shut now. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got two basics, a top turn, and a low arm throw away, and we'll stop there. So low arm, throw away, and we'll stop there. So you'll notice that Chris has put his hand out over the top of his, and my left arm is around my middle, which is where it should always be in anticipation of whatever Chris might want me to get into. So I've seen that, but I'm not putting my hand behind my back straight away. So this is the guy's lead, and on the first count, we walk together, and that's when I put my hand behind my back. And so if I just turn around,
Oh, I was doing
my
the
hand
second step.
behind my back, that's when Chris picks up my hand. So if we just show from here, from the back step. So he's given me the lead, so I know what we're going to be doing next. So the next move, which is first count, it's 1. And on that first count, I'll put my hand behind my back, and Chris has just held on to mine. So we're not actually holding, we're just touching hands. So that's the first count, 2, 3, and 4. So we're still just holding hands. We're not actually holding on to each other. From here, Chris is just going to pull that hand around a little bit and give me enough momentum to turn around.
And let go.
And then he's going to let go of my right hand with his left hand. So we'll come around and rock step. So you'll see that I'm actually doing my rock step with my wrong foot, and you were doing?
And I tend to just hold my time here. I don't actually do a rock step.
So with this hand that Chris was only had the hand hold, well, not really a hold type grip, it just sort of had his hand there. He has taken my fingers and brought me around. So he's still got hold of my fingers here, and he's got my fingers here, not in a tight grip. And what he's going to do now is raise his arm and bring me back around, and kind of like whipping me around with the low arm. He'll bring me back around, and a low arm, and a rock step.
So a lot of the guys' steps are really just keeping yourself in the right position and just counting the beat. So you're not doing a lot of back steps. It's all about getting the lady to spin and keeping control of it, which isn't always possible.
No, especially
But we
not
try.
this one. Okay, so from here, we'll just show you that again. We've got two basics. Top turn, a low arm, and rock step. So Chris has brought his right arm over the top, and that's the lead for me to do this, get into
And
this move.
I'm basically telling the lady that I like to pick up her hand from behind her back.
So from here, or even the step before, it's a little bit hard over a dance floor to be shouting out that we're going to be doing this move called Travoltas. This is my signal for it. So the first count is 1. Then we've got 2, 3, and 4. Now from here, your steps kind of go out the window, your basic steps. So it's 1, 2, 3, rock step. The left-handed goes high for Chris, whip me around, and right step. So with Chris's right arm, he's actually pulling me around so that I can get that momentum to do a decent spin.
Yeah, I think that's all really. I do find that, let's just go from here, so that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I spin Kristen round, and I find that I've been walking that direction, and now when I spin it the other way, I find I'm going back this direction, and I think it helps with the
It does, it closes the gap. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you'll end up either crashing into each other or too far away from each other.
And you'll see that when we do it to music, it's more noticeable.
Okay,
That's it.
shall we put it to music?
Why not?
Okay.
So I'm not sure why it's called Travoltas, but that's what we know it as.
I guess because Travolta used to have a pretty cool swagger, so maybe that's it. I don't have a cool swagger.
And I find it's a nice easy move for the guy because we just do a bit of walking. The ladies do a few spins.
Yes, it's not a move you want to continuously do. You'll just whack it in there, in amongst your moves, and then go on with something else.
Yeah. Okay, so you're going to put this move in with a few others soon?
Yep. So this week we'll do the Travoltas. In the coming weeks, next week or the week after, you'll see the combination move with Travoltas, the Spanish arms and the wavy arms. So they're a nice little combination. But again, you can put them in any order, any of the moves in any order you want to.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
See you.
Be sure to share some of our videos around to anyone you know that rock and rolls.
Yes, and
And
even if they don't.
subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff.
Yeah, and comment. Catch you next time.
Bye.